In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Namecheap domain back to default settings step by step. This is really useful if you changed your name servers before, set up custom DNS, or need to bring your domain back to Namecheap's default configuration so everything is managed in one place again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple web and domain tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list section. This is where all of your registered domains are shown. Find the domain you want to reset, then click the Manage button next to it. On the domain management page, look for the Nameservers section. This is the setting that controls where your domain points for DNS management. By default, Namecheap uses its own basic DNS nameservers, so to reset everything back to the standard Namecheap setup, open the drop-down menu and select Namecheap BasicDNS. After selecting it, make sure you click the green checkmark to save your changes. That step is important because if you don't save, the nameserver change won't apply. Once the update is complete, Namecheap will switch your domain back to its default nameservers. Those default nameservers are dns1.registrarservers.com and dns2.registrarservers.com. Depending on your domain and previous settings, it may take a little time for the change to fully propagate across the internet. If your website or email was using custom DNS records before, you may need to recreate them after resetting the domain. To do that, go to the Advanced DNS tab in Namecheap. This is where you can add or restore any required A records, CNAME records, MX records, or TXT records. For example, if your website needs to point to a hosting server, you'll usually add an A record. If you're connecting a subdomain or another service, you may need a CNAME. And if you use email with your domain, you may need MX and TXT records as well. So after resetting to default, always check the Advanced DNS section carefully to make sure everything your domain needs is added back correctly. And that's it. Your Namecheap domain is now reset back to the default Namecheap basic DNS setup. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.